Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today my name is Lynn from the Mini Slim team. Guys, today I'm here with another very interesting video because I'm going to be taking you through a one-bedroom Airbnb in Nanyuki. Remember guys, I promised you I'm going to be bringing you the best of the best Airbnbs in Nanyuki. But before that guys, I want to thank you so much for your response in our previous video where I was taking you through a two-bedroom Airbnb. Guys, as I promised you, and I know a promise is a debt, so come with me as I show you this one-bedroom Airbnb in Nanyuki. Right now, I'm standing in the sitting room area of this one-bedroom Airbnb, and as you can see here, we have these very amazing curtains. Next to the window, of course, we have this couch over here, and we have these African-themed throw pillows. So I'm going to have a seat, and I can tell you guys that this couch is very comfortable. It's a 3-seater couch, but you can fit 5 people and sit comfortably. And here we have this fleece blanket. Guys, you know Nanyuki can be cold at sometimes, but we got you covered with this amazing fleece blanket, and I'm going to place it over there. And next we have this dispenser, so you have clean water. You are sorted with your clean water, and the carpet is very puffy. It's a very nice carpet. So guys, we have this nice kettle over here. It's a very nice decoration, and then we have this table over here. We have our TV over here. Of course, it's a 43-inch TV, and you can watch Netflix, listen to music, and guys, when you visit, you can also watch YouTube. You can watch our channel when you visit. And guys, let me remind you to continue subscribing to our channel when I'm on this, and continue liking our videos. Here we have two beautiful plants and this amazing TV stand over here. In here we have our kitchen, and as you can see guys, our kitchen is quite spacious, and also you have everything, basically everything that you need for your stay. Over here there are the utensils that you might require, and so basically this is the kitchen. bedroom area, and as you can see, we have this bed over here with these nice beddings, and everything in this house is ready for your use, be it the bed sheets, be it the towels, they are ready for your use. Over there we have very nice curtains, and here we have a very nice carpet, and of course in this wardrobe is where you will find everything you need for your stay. Guys, next let me take you to the washroom area. In here we have the washroom area. The space is big enough, and over there we have that amazing rack which has everything that you might need to use. That, guys, has been it for our 1-bedroom Airbnb in Nanyuki. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. Guys, remember you can reach us using this number over here, and we will respond to you. Guys, to continue watching more of this content, remember to subscribe to our channel, like and share our content. Guys, till next time, bye.